We are exploring. Today, Gillam Park Pool, a small abandoned water park in Little Rock, Arkansas. There we go. This gate is controlled by Little Rock Parks and Recreation. That sounds good to me. They put big boulders here to make sure that you don't bypass the gate on the pedestrian sidewalk here and get into this facility. This is a nice walk, although it's a pretty warm day at 90 degrees or 91. This is all in the shade and it's nice and shady. Oh wow, look at this huge mushroom. That's probably 8 to 10 inches in diameter. Here's another big boulder there at the entrance, and that is probably where the name of Gillam Park was installed. Here we go a few steps down the road and there we have an empty parking lot. That's always spooky at these abandoned places, empty parking lots and such. And here I'm really disappointed because in 2019 this place is gone. The only thing that's left are these two posts of the old pool building. The rest is filled in. But don't turn this video off quite yet, because I was here in 2018 before it was demolished, and I'm gonna show you some photos of how this little water park looked like here. We are standing here or walking here where the big pool was, and oh, look at the debris they left over there. And after the facility was demolished, they put up a sign here with old photos at least, so you can see how this looked like. Originally, this facility was opened in 1950. This photo here is from 1998 because in that time the park has been demolished for a first time and replaced by a new park because the old park was not safe enough. There are some electrical connections to heat the pool or what, and an old stairs here in the back, down in the back in a maintenance area, I believe this was. And this is some sort of shed, also maintenance related, and all this stuff here has lots of colorful graffitis on it. I'm usually not a big fan of graffitis, but these are pretty well made. Oh, look here. This is the old pool house where they had dressing rooms, restrooms, and food concessions. And here are these mushroom-like looking like objects. There are little water features. And here's an overview of Gillam Park Water Park, how it looked like in 2018. Here we go. That is the side gate where I could sneak in last year. Over there the pool house and the little water features that are in a shallow pool for the younger children. And there's a big pool over here. There's the gate I sneaked in through right ahead and the water features. This is a 360-degree view of Gillam Park Water Park. There's the pool house and here a shallow pool over there. Well, what is this water park doing here? In the 1950s, or actually in 1950, they had put up a housing project here, a little out of town in the airport area of Little Rock, to actually try and get African American people, what a racist idea this is, to live a little outside of town. And this is something I would think should be condemned. Well, this Waterpark here was rebuilt in 1998 and closed after 2 years because nobody really used it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it.